In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Kajabi website step by step. Whether you're looking to create a standard website page or an engaging landing page for sales or opt-ins, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your page live and looking great. First, let's begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll want to click on Website followed by Pages. This action will open up the main area where you can manage your website, landing pages, and funnel pages. If you need more detailed guidance at any point, the Kajabi Help Center is a fantastic resource that you can always rely on. Now, if you're looking to add a standard website page, the next step is simple. Inside the Pages area, make sure you've selected the Website tab. You'll see a button labeled Plus New Website Page in the top right corner. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new page. First, you'll be prompted to enter your desired page name. Once you've named your page, hit Customize Page, which will take you into the page editor where you can start designing. Alternatively, if you're interested in creating a landing page for purposes such as opt-in forms or sales promotions, the steps are slightly different. In the Pages section, switch to the Landing tab. Again, look for the Plus New Landing Page button at the top right. You'll then have the opportunity to select a template. Kajabi offers a range of templates to suit different needs. After choosing one, click Get Started. You'll then need to enter your page title before proceeding to create the page. With your basic structure set up, the next step is to add sections and content to your page. Head over to the page editor by clicking Customize or Edit. Here, you have the option to add pre-built sections, such as hero images, features, videos, forms, or call to action sections, simply by using the plus Add Section button. Within each section, you can further enrich your page by adding content like text blocks, images, buttons, and videos using the plus Add Content option. Feel free to rearrange these sections by dragging them around until you achieve the desired layout. Don't forget to fine-tune the styles and spacing using the sidebar tools to give your page a polished finish. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save to ensure your changes are kept. Before going live, make sure to preview your page. This can be done by clicking Preview, which will open your page in a new tab. Here, you can test all links, forms, and ensure that the mobile layout is flawless. Once it all looks good, set the page visibility to Published. Copy the page URL found in Page Details to begin sharing it with others. And there you have it, a brand new page added to your Kajabi website, ready to engage your audience.